Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Anuj Tare. I'm Assistant Superintendent of Police in Chandrapur district. It's a district in Maharashtra, and I'm an IPS officer of the 2017 batch. Without any further ado, let us just start about what it is to be an IPS, what sort of training do you go through, and what sort of opportunities do you get later on in life, and what is the job profile. As you know, IPS is an all India service along with Indian Administrative Service and Indian Forest Service. It's a cadre based service, which means you go to different states and you are born on that cadre for your entire life.
I belong to the Indian Police Service from 2017 batch, and right now I'm holding the position of ASP under training. And before the Indian Police Service, I was in the Indian Audit and Account Service, 2014 batch, where I worked for 3 years. So this is the broad agenda of today's session. The first thing that I'm going to discuss is getting into the right frame of mind. That is, how do you mentally prepare yourself for this examination, which is the most important part. Thereafter, step by step, I'll discuss about the 3 stages of the examination: prelims, main examination, and personality test for the interview.
హాయ్ అందరికీ నా పేరు లక్ష్మీ పవన గాయత్రి. నేను ఈసారి 427 ర్యాంక్ ఇన్ సివిల్ సర్వీసెస్లో సాధించాను. ఐఐటి ఖరగ్పూర్లో బీటెక్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్లో కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. దాని తర్వాత నాకు శాంసంగ్లో ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేశా. దాని తర్వాత రాబర్ట్ బాష్లో జాబ్ వచ్చింది. కానీ ఇవన్నీ వద్దనుకొని నేను సివిల్ సర్వీసెస్ నా కెరీర్గా చూస్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను. సో ఫైనల్ అటెంప్ట్కి ఈ అటెంప్ట్కి డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్తా. ఇన్ పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ లైక్ AKS హ్యాస్ గుడ్ మెటీరియల్, సో యూ కెన్ రిఫర్ టు దట్ మెటీరియల్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ advice of experts, taking advice from the experts, even rankers also. So I think it is good source to begin political science. Then coming to GS4, you have to use more examples and quotations of great personality like Gandhiji or Abdul Kalam or such thing you can use in GS4. When it comes to GS2 and 3, it is dynamic part and current affairs should be thorough. In order to, you should have 10 points of like from each topic, so that you will write 5 positive and 5 negatives in GS2 and GS3. And essay, I would suggest you to use all like the knowledge available in the general studies.
Paper GS2 and GS3 are 70 to 80% of current affairs. And current affairs, many aspirants find it a problem of preparing, in the sense that it's all scattered. There is no one standard book like Lakshmikant. You read Lakshmikant and you are good with polity. And current affairs is ever changing. Current affairs, the first thing you have to keep in mind is go after issues, not news. Whatever question comes, you can take from these and then write your answer. So stick to limited sources and revise over and over, so that for a particular issue you have a comprehensive content, and just when you see the question you go and write within the 7 minutes possible. This is all you have to do for current affairs. It's not rocket science or anything.
Today we have with us D. Ramesh sir, who secured All India rank 690 in UPSC CSE 2019. Welcome sir. AKS IAS heartily congratulates you on achieving this success sir.
So I completed my graduation from Osmania University. So then I joined in 2007 in BHL as executive trainee. So and I got promoted to senior engineer in 2012. And I seen in AKS Center they conduct a program regarding this current NCERT books. They are providing these NCERT books, and they are some of the videos on NCERT books that will be very useful because they save time also for the aspirant. Just reading all books and it will take time. So, but whereas the AKS Center, they are giving that valuable materials that will save your time. AKS మంత్లీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. ఈవెన్ దో మనం పేపర్ రీడ్ చేస్తాము, బట్ పేపర్ రీడ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే నేను జాబ్ చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి నేను రోజు ఎప్పటికప్పుడు నోట్ చేసుకోవడం నాకు కష్టమయ్యేది. నేను ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు నోట్ చేసుకునేవాడిని, పేపర్ తరోగా రీడ్ చేసేవాడిని. బట్ స్టిల్ మనకు ఏంటంటే ఒక రివ్యూ లాగా నాకు ఏకేఎస్ మెటీరియల్ యూజ్ అయింది. మనం యూపీఎస్సీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ మనకు ఒకటి డీటెయిల్ అప్లికేషన్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది. సో మనం మెయిన్స్ క్లియర్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా means clear after రెండుసార్లు ఈసారి BA పని డైరెక్ట్.
We all know that Surya Teja sir has topped UPSC examination this year with rank 76. To reach to that stage, it has not been an easy story for him or an easy traveling for him.
I don't want you to diverge into very service. So that is a very important aspect which I feel, and I feel that's a difference between scoring well in the exam, because exam oriented preparation is necessary. That's because it's so simple. It's not tough, but it somehow goes out of our mind. So I wanted to focus on that.
Batch of IRS, working as a Deputy Commissioner for GST and Customs here in Hyderabad. I'll tell you a few sources which you also might be knowing, but prelims is honestly more competitive than mains and interview, I feel, because most of the filtration process happens in prelims.
It's because anthropology is more like a humanities subject. You will have to do something interesting. Your papers will be corrected by some 50-60-year-old professors. So you'll have to make something interesting, and you can't write like it's not maths. You can't write 1, 2, 3, 4 steps and done. You can't. It should be something interesting.
I am Madhuri. More than giving you a strategy, I would like to tell you my story. That is how I want this to go. I started my preparation in 2015. I was immediately out of my graduation. I didn't have the kind of maturity Harsha had, and I also didn't have the kind of circle Harsha had. Harsha had great friends. I was absolutely alone going to Delhi.